These Gotham Steel 2PK non-stick frying pans are a great addition to any kitchen. You get 2 pans, a 10-inch and an 11-inch. They are perfect for cooking many different meals. The non-stick surface is a standout feature, and food slides off easily. You can cook eggs, pancakes, and even fish without them sticking. Cleaning these Gotham Steel 2PK non-stick pans is also very simple. The ceramic surface of these frying pans is reinforced. It makes them very durable for everyday cooking. You might think of it as a superhero's shield, protecting the pan. This set is induction capable, so it works on all kinds of stovetops. The hard anodized material helps the pans heat up evenly. This means your food cooks better without hot spots. Plus, these Gotham Steel 2PK non-stick skillets are oven safe. You can start cooking on the stove and finish in the oven. They are also dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup even easier after you enjoy your games or finish work on your computers. These non-stick frying pans are designed for easy use. They help you cook healthier because you need less oil. The non-stick surface is like a washcloth for food. It just wipes clean. While I can't help with payment or check the status of your order in Australia, I can say these pans are a solid choice. Recommendations for your countertop would definitely include this set if you enjoy cooking. They are practical and make cooking less of a chore. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: non-stick, easy cooking 10-inch pan, 11-inch pan, ceramic surface, induction ready, hard anodized, non-stick skillets, oven safe, dishwasher safe. Cons: may scorch at high heat, needs oil, butter often, coating wears quickly, poor customer service, uneven heating possible, handles may get hot, can scratch easily, not very durable. Features: 2 pans included, non-stick surface, ceramic coating, 10-inch pan, 11-inch pan, induction ready, hard anodized, oven safe, dishwasher safe, easy to clean. This Gotham Steel set has 2 frying pans, one 10 inches and the other 11 inches. They have a non-stick surface with a ceramic coating, which means food should slide off easily. These pans can be used on all kinds of stoves, even induction ones. They are made with a strong material called hard anodized metal. You can also put them in the oven and the dishwasher to clean them. This makes cooking and cleaning up easier. This Gotham Steel frying pan set includes 10 and 11-inch non-stick skillets with a ceramic surface that is induction ready and hard anodized for durability. While designed for easy cooking and cleanup with oven and dishwasher safe features, some users report that the non-stick coating may wear out quickly, requiring frequent use of oil or butter, and that the pans can scratch easily and may heat unevenly, with handles potentially getting hot. Additionally, some customers have noted poor customer service experiences